In this video, you'll learn how to disable the auto-suggest feature in the web version of Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will have more control over your input without the assistance of automatic suggestions. Begin by locating your profile icon, which is situated in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically displays your profile picture or an avatar. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with several options related to your account settings. Next, from the menu that appears, select the option labeled Preferences. This action will direct you to a new page specifically for adjusting your settings. The layout may contain various sections related to your account. Once the Preferences page opens, look for a section also titled Preferences. This section consolidates various customizable options. It is important to ensure you are in the correct section to proceed with the necessary adjustments. Within this section, locate the setting labeled Auto Suggest. This feature is designed to provide suggestions as you type, but for your purposes, you will want to turn it off. The toggle switch adjacent to this option will allow you to make this change. Toggle the Auto Suggest setting off by clicking on the switch. You should see the switch change its position, indicating that the feature has been successfully disabled. This action will prevent the system from providing automatic suggestions while you are using the interface. After making this adjustment, it is a good practice to verify that the setting remains off. You can do this by navigating back to the Preferences page and checking the status of the Auto Suggest toggle. Once more, this confirmation ensures that your preferences have been saved correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.